right, so welcome home. Here we go. So what you're going to do is you keep the same finger shape. I'm just using my pinky, but you can use your third finger. And you're basically going to hit the A and the D strings, right, like this, like a normal B chord. And then you're going to hit the open E string on every chord. So you're going to go from the 2nd fret to the 3rd fret to the 5th fret and do the exact same thing. We're going to go. And then go up to the next position. Up to the next position. And then you're going to have a shape shift. So what you're going to do is now you're going to take your first finger and slide it down 1 fret, and you're going to basically make like what looks like the top of a G chord. And you're going to go down. And then you're going to slide into the next chord. So we got. Right, so from the beginning we got. And then you're going to do the same slide up and go straight to the D string. So you're not going to do the down to the D string, you're going to go and hit the D string. So we got. Recycle the riff over and over again.
And it's also like the timings, it's like a beat off, like
yeah, it's
odd timing.